Hi everyone, welcome back to Adharshila coding classes. Today we are going to build a simple to-do list application in Python. This program will help you manage your tasks by allowing you to add, view and remove tasks with priority and deadline. We will start by initializing our list and dictionaries to store tasks, their priorities and deadline. Here to-do list is an empty list that will store all the tasks. Task priority and task deadline are dictionaries that will store the priority and deadline for each task. Next, we will define a function to add tasks to our to-do list. In the add task function, we take three parameters: the task, its priority, and its deadline. We append the task to to-do list and then we store the task's priority and deadline in their respective dictionaries. The print statement confirms the addition of the task. Now, let's look at the function to remove the tasks. The remove function first checks if there is the task exists in the to-do list. If it does, we remove the task from to-do list and also remove its priority and deadline from the dictionaries. If the task is not found, we print a message indicating that. Now let's create a loop to interact with the user that allow users to choose an action: add a task, remove the task, view task, or exit from the program. In this loop, we repeatedly show a menu with 4 options. Based on the user's choice, the corresponding block of the code is executed. If the user chooses option 1, we prompt them to enter the task details and then call add task function. For option 2, we prompt the user to enter the task they want to remove, and if the user chooses option 3, we display all tasks along with their priorities and deadlines. And finally, if the user chooses option 4, we exit the program. And that's it. We have built a simple to-do list application in Python that lets you add, view, and remove tasks with priority and deadline. Let's see it in action. Here, I am adding a task to the list, setting its priority to high and its deadline to a date. Now I'll add another task with medium priority and a different deadline. Next, I will view all the tasks to see what we have. And finally, I'll remove a task from the list. And there you have it, a simple yet effective to-do list application in Python. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!